Welcome to TrueDriveReviews, your ultimate pit stop for the boldest, most electrifying machines on four wheels. And today, we're diving into something that doesn't just break the mold, it smashes it. Buckle up as we unleash the beast, the Murder X 2025, a car that doesn't ask for attention. It demands it. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a predator in the parking lot, a storm on the streets. And by the time we're done, you'll understand why the Murder X has become the most talked about machine of the year. Let's begin with its most menacing signature, the exterior. Exterior design, murder in motion. Picture this, midnight black chrome, glistening under a flickering street lamp. The Murder X doesn't just come in colors, it arrives in shadows. With a body carved by the wind and perfected in the dark, every inch is precision designed to make onlookers hesitate and admire. The front fascia is a masterpiece of aggression. Angular LED blade headlights slice through the night like twin daggers, while the hood, sculpted with predator ridges, arches over a grille so wide it could inhale the road. The Murder X doesn't smile, it bares its teeth. On the sides, muscle meets elegance. Jet-swept lines stretch across a body that hugs the ground like a panther in prowl. Every contour whispers performance. The matte black 22-inch turbine wheels, finished with blood-red calipers, rotate with an almost hypnotic defiance. The frameless suicide doors rise, not open, like wings of a dark angel. The rear is where intimidation turns poetic. Jet thruster-inspired tailpipes, a luminous crimson LED strip slicing across the width, and an active spoiler that rises with your pulse. Murder X doesn't follow trends, it starts them. This isn't a design meant for roads. It's meant for runways, rebellions, and the future. Interior design. Welcome to the lair. Step inside the Murder X, and you're not entering a cabin. You're entering a command center. The world outside disappears, and you're wrapped in a cocoon of obsidian suede, carbon fiber, and red-stitched Napa leather that breathes luxury and danger in equal measure. The dashboard flows like liquid metal, with a digital cockpit display so immersive it feels like strapping into a fighter jet. No dials, no clutter, just seamless, touch-responsive surfaces that react to your gestures like they know what you need before you even speak. The Murder X is built for thrill-seekers and tacticians alike. The ambient lighting, fully customizable, can glow like a pulsing heart or burn like a city on fire. Seats? They aren't seats, they're sculpted thrones, fully bolstered, climate-controlled, and memory-adjusting to your driving style. Red perforations echo the murder motif, subtly, elegantly, menacingly. An AI assistant, known as X-Sentinel, keeps you connected and in control, from navigating hostile traffic to orchestrating the perfect playlist when the storm begins. A 24-speaker 4D surround system by Blackcore Audio turns your ride into a cinematic experience. Storage compartments are stealthy, hidden in design yet functional. The rear seats fold into a digital cargo bay. Fuel efficiency, power meets precision. Now, let's talk about what makes the Murder X surprisingly brilliant beneath all that menace, its efficiency. Don't let the name fool you. While it may sound like a gas-guzzling brute, the 2025 Murder X is engineered with hybrid intelligence. At its core is a twin-turbo V8 augmented by a high-voltage tri-motor electric assist system. Combined, they deliver a jaw-dropping 980 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time under 2.5 seconds. But here's the twist, it doesn't drink fuel. It strategizes it. In eco-stealth mode, the car can glide for 50 miles on pure electric power, whisper quiet. Ideal for night drives through the city or silent getaways. On hybrid mode, regenerative braking and energy-efficient thermal management tech ensure you get up to 32 mpg combined, unheard of for a vehicle this powerful. Advanced AI route optimization predicts traffic, elevation, and driving style to minimize waste. And thanks to its bioadaptive smart battery, the Murder X never wastes a single volt. Murder has never been so efficient. So there you have it, the Murder X 2025. A car born from shadows, built with rage, and refined through science. It isn't just about speed, it's about presence. It doesn't whisper luxury, it screams evolution. In a world full of lookalikes and safe bets, the Murder X is your rebellion. A symbol of unapologetic individuality. And here at TrueDriveReviews, we're proud to have witnessed the storm up close. If you felt the thrill today, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon, because more machines from the edge of imagination are coming your way. Until next time, stay bold, stay fast, and drive like legends. This is TrueDriveReviews, where the road meets the extraordinary.